So today, this is just going to be a simple little video, and it's kind of my review of living without my Tesla and going back to an ICE car for about a month. It sucks. I have, so as you know, if you've been following my channel, I did dent the lower rocker panel on the passenger side of the car and had to put it in the shop for body work. I will post a link to the video showing the damage and another link to the review where I dropped it off and got the estimate in the description of this video. But anyway, it's been there about a month. The due date for the repair to be done was supposed to be this Monday, and I got a text message from the Bodyshop. They've pushed it back to the following Monday. I called. They have not received all the parts from Tesla. And they said that is not abnormal. They got some. They're waiting on others. They said they've had them take a very long time. So this is starting to stretch out. And having to go back to an ICE car after having driven my fully electric, obviously, Tesla for now just about 2 years, it sucks. Gas prices are very high right now. And I miss the cheap operating costs of having the Tesla. It's so inexpensive to charge and drive. I miss just the experience of driving it, all the features, the conveniences, the infotainment system. I mean, little things, like when I stopped to grab something to eat, I would, with the Tesla, you could put on a show on Netflix or on Disney Plus and stuff, and now you can't. And am I spoiled? I guess I am. I guess I am spoiled. I do miss having it. Like I said, it's way more expensive buying gas. It also, as you may or may not know if you follow my channel, I've mentioned it a few times, I do commute several times a week, about a 2.5 hour each way commute between New Jersey and Delaware, several times a week. And with the Tesla, with autopilot, it definitely alleviates a lot of the fatigue of the drive. And now I'm back to just driving it, with the regular car, and the fatigue is back. It's real. It's just, I guess I slowly acclimated to all the benefits of having the Tesla, and you don't realize how much of a benefit those things are until you don't have it for an extended period of time. So, I mean, I don't want to come off, the wrong way. I mean, I dented the car. I ran into the curb with it, so it's my own doing. And but I'm just wanted to make this video to kind of, because a lot of people do reviews of what it's like to own a Tesla. Is it good? Is it not? Is it great? And I thought this perspective of having had it for 2 years, having reviewed it on my channel, you can go back and watch. I put all kinds of, accessories and installed things and whatnot. But a different perspective of now I don't have it. I didn't give it up, but I don't have it for about a month, and it's going to be several more weeks until I get it. And yeah, it really is I really do miss it. There is a convenience. There is a lot of benefit that you get, or that I get from the Tesla, that I now no longer have because I'm driving a regular car. And it's not a bad car. It's a Kia, fine car, gets decent gas mileage, but you still got to buy gas. It's still expensive. And, those little things that, you thought originally, my view of the Tesla was, this is great because it's inexpensive to charge and the operating costs are inexpensive. And that was the big deal. That was the big thing. But the things which you consider little conveniences are really big, like autopilot. I find it to be, I find being without it to be a big deal. Like I said, because of the commute I do. Now, that may not apply to everybody. For me, it's a big deal. It definitely makes it a more fatiguing drive without it. Um, and like I said, also the infotainment, having the screen where you can watch a show if you stopped for a minute or whatever, it is a big difference. So I just wanted to make this video and kind of check in. So thanks to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, click like, share, comment. If you have any comments on this, feel free to leave a comment. I do try to respond to all comments. I do respond to all comments. Hopefully I get the car back in another week and a half and they don't delay it again, but I don't know, because based on what I was told, they may not get the parts, some of the parts, so we'll see. But again, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.